Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. I go by Coach, retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2012 Itasca Suncruiser. It's got a great floor plan. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guarantee RV, give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. Let's go inside and take a look around. Nice floor plan here. Got a bedroom back here, stereo in the corner here, and I believe a DVD player. Windows on both sides. You can see there's lots of storage up above, storage under the bed, lots of drawers here, big closet, TV, and a ceiling fan. That makes it nice when it's warm outside. Okay, got all your controls right here. Moving into the kitchen area. Ice maker, 4-door refrigerator. 4-door refrigerators, sometimes we don't find those much anymore. Here it is. Take all your groceries with you. Right here we're going into the bathroom. Big shower. We've got nice vanity, places to hang the towel racks, lots of storage. Okay, moving over into the kitchen. 3-burner propane stove, microwave convection up above. Nice kitchen area here. Got a nice area to put your coffee pot, get it, or any other thing that you might use here in the kitchen. Put it in there, get it off the table, out of the way. TV right here. We've got components going there, DVD players, things like that. Got storage down below. Okay, moving across the hall, we've got a nice big dinette set right here. Couch right across from it. Really like this setup because when you have guests or grandkids in here, you can all have a conversation when the weather turns bad. Most of the time you're going to be outside, but when the weather goes south, we're going to be right here talking, having a good time. Both chairs up here, turn around. Got a desk right here. All it does is slide across here for the co-pilot. Okay. Rear door, exit door here on this side. So if you want to get out to get fuel, you can go out right outside that door right there. Auto leveling, all the bells and whistles. Okay, full body paint on this coach. Got TV right here. You know, plenty of storage anywhere you can right there. Got our slides. We're pretty tight in here, but we've got our slides. Propane, easy access to fill the propane. Big 5500 generator. Awning. Okay, moving to the back of the coach. All set up for towing, backup camera, ladder. Moving around to this side. Okay, there's your electrical hookup, 50 amp. Storage. Here's your clean out bay. Santa flush, outdoor shower. More storage here. More storage here. Plenty of storage on this coach, obviously. Little storage bay right there. Okay. Here's your steps for getting in and out. Here's that door we were talking about. Side cameras, backup cameras, big mirrors on each side. 2012, make you a great deal on this coach. Again, call Coach if you're looking at anything on our lot, and I can answer the questions for you. Looking forward to talking to you. Have a great day. Thank you.